Here we are in beautiful Salem, Mass this morning. I got a frozen Hoshizaki ice machine downstairs. The evaporators are all fucking froze up, and this is why. You can see we got a fairly clogged condenser coil, and you should be able to see through these. You see all the pollen and the dirt and everything clogged it up, and it is not making ice. It's freezing up. We'll go downstairs. I'll show you what it looks like, but basically what I got to do is brush and blow this out with nitrogen, go downstairs, melt all the ice off the evaps, and then do a full cleaning of the machine. We're not going to get into the cleaning part of the machine. I've videotaped them much before, but for this one I'm gonna clear this coil out and just show you guys the difference, what a clean coil makes. So let's go downstairs and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so while I'm at this, I figured I'd do let's play tools of the job today. Tools of the job today, we are gonna need, first of all, my nitrogen. Gonna need that when we brush and blow out the condenser coil that's up there. That's where we just were. And that's for up there. At the other point, we are gonna need hot water. So we're gonna need pump sprayer with hot water. We'll empty that out, put some scalding hot water, and afterwards, ice machine cleaning gear. So we'll grab that afterwards. In my ladder also, we're gonna need the Hoshizaki brush too. Pardon my truck, it's been a really busy day. We're gonna need the Hoshizaki brush to get the evaporator. So, all right, let's get back upstairs.
All right, you see I took the top off. Go. So here's one side, and I can almost see through it now. I think I'm going to degrease this also. That's it, boys. Oh, this looks bad, boys, bad. Whew. Almost can see through it. Let's give it a little more.
Alright, you can see I'm putting a very generous application of coil cleaner on this. And I might even go get my hose and blow this out with my water hose, because this thing is so bad. It is just so packed. The nitrogen won't blow everything through. The cleaner right now is loosening everything up, and I'm going to use my pump sprayer to start, but if that's not enough pressure, I'm going to have to get my hose. So let's see. We'll try that out, and if we can see through the coil, we won't need no hose. Alright, so we're going to blow this one out with my hose, because the pump spray is not strong enough. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to blow one of these out with high pressure water. Here we go. Look at all that. Nasty. I'm using hot water, by the way. Alright, now that's better. You guys probably can't tell, but you can see through the coil now, just very slightly in between the fins. To check, you can always take out your flashlight and shine your flashlight through. And you should be able to see light. And I do see light, but you can't see it on the camera. Here's one nice, hot, steamy, clean coil. Yeah, you can see it's all frozen up. Both evacs. Let me show you up here. Also, frozen. But thank God we got a hot water hose. Watch, watch. See all the ice? Hot water hose. You just melt it all. It's also great for the cleaning too. Wash a lot of this crap right down into the reservoir. So it's an awesome bonus to have a hot water hose. So just melt all this ice and then give it a cleaning, and we're all set. We'll be out of here. So I want to thank you all for coming and checking out the videos. Look for some more. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that, you know, guys. And have a good one. Peace out. There you go. There you go. Easy. Oh, easy, Max. My crazy doggies.